recording? Okay, we are at the Otisville Compressor plant. Today is September 16th, 2016. We are getting ready to camera the supply line inside the building at the foundation. We're going to just get a visual of this 90 and the lining through this section before it goes out through the wall. I'm going to enter the pipe. Okay, we are looking down through the 45 at the first 90. At the bottom of this 90 is a T for the weldolet, and straight ahead is a hole. This was created when we were trying to auger through the 90 to clean this up, and we put a stint in here. At this point we're through the 90 into the pipe going out through the foundation. We believe everything downstream of this is sealed and lined. We had put a stint in here because we identified some leaks. The problem occurred because the original liner had a void behind it, and we were lucky enough to find that void with our coring tool. So right now we are going to analyze this on what the best approach would be to restore this section of piping, if we need to cut this out totally and clean it,